Hello dear students, welcome to our math class. This class is about your chapter 2, numbers up to 10,000. Numbers up to 10,000. So let's come to the topic. This is your chapter 2, numbers up to 10,000. But in this class we are discuss about numbers beyond 1000, place value chart, expanded form of a number, and numerals in short form or compact form, place value of 4 digits numbers. So dear students, first we know how to form 1000. So dear students, in this class we know about 4 digit numbers. First we know how can we make 1000 by adding 1 in 3 digit greatest number. So dear students, look at the paper carefully. First 3 digit greatest number, that means 999 plus 1 equal to, see this, 999 plus 1. 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 carry. Here 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 carry, and 9 plus 1 equal to 10. This is the 4 digit smallest number, 1000. How can we form? We can form this in many ways, like when 999 equal to 900 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. That means 999 plus 1 equal to 900 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones plus 1 ones. See this carefully. 900, next step, 900 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones plus 1 ones equal to 10 ones, equal to 10 ones. 900 plus 9 tens. See, 10 ones equal to, we know, 10 ones equal to 1 10, we know. So 10 ones equal to 1 10. Next, 900 plus 9 tens plus 1 tens equal to 10 tens, equal to 10 tens. And next step, 900 plus 10 tens, we know 10 tens equal to 100. 100 plus then 10 tens equal to 100. That means 900 plus 100 equal to 1000, equal to 1000. That means 10 hundreds equal to 1000. 1000. We know 10 hundreds, that means 10 20. This is 1000. So the main point is, that means when we add 1 in any digit greatest number, we can find next digit smallest number. Like when we want it in 3 digit greatest number, we can find 4 digit smallest number. Like this, when we add 1 in 4 digit greatest number, we can find 5 digit smallest number. So dear students, next we know about numbers name of 4 digit numbers. That means you can write 4 digit numbers in words. In class 2 we had already know how can we form 100 to 1000. Same type we can form 1000 to 10,000. 10,000. So dear students, now we know how can write numbers name in 4 digit number. I am taking an example like 4828. First we know 4 thousands No, 4 thousands. Next, 80 hundreds. So we write 8 hundreds. 20, next 28. Also you write 4,000. 800. Hundreds. 20. 28. Next, now we can know how can we write figure in 4-digit number. I am taking example like 9,000s, 400s, 34. So student, first you make a table. You always know our number system start with ones place. So first we number system right side. Ones place, ones right, tens left, hundreds left, 10,000. So we can put this type like 44. That means 34. That means 3 tens, 4 ones. 3 4 ones, 3 tens. Next 400s. We can put 400s. Then thousands. How many thousand? 9,000. This is the figure of numbers. That means numbers. 9 numbers equal to 9,434. This is the figure of numbers name. Next we know expanded form of 4-digit numbers. What do you mean by expanded form? Expand form means writing a number to show the value of each digit. It is shown as a sum of each digit multiplied by its matching place value. That means एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या है? एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म एक नंबर का उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू के हिसाब से लिखना होता है एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में. कैसे? नाउ सी दिस 2428. See this. First number is 2. In which place? 2000. So it 2 into 1000 multiply plus. Next number is 4. In which place? 100 place. So we put 4 into 100 plus. Next number is 2. In which place? Tens place. So 2 into 10 plus 8 is ones place. So you can write it. This is the expanded form of 4-digit numbers. You can write another way like 2000s, 400s, 2 tens, 8 ones. This is the expanded form of 4-digit number. Next, how can we write expanded form in short form or compact form? Compact form means short form. In short form or compact, that means write the numbers in short form are called compact form. Short form और compact form दोनों का meaning same है. Now I am taking an example like 7,000s plus 400s plus 80 tens plus 0 ones plus 0 ones. Okay, students, now I also make a table and I write the place value. I know the numbers place value start with always right side and from ones. So ones, left side tens, left side hundreds, and then left side thousands. Now we calculate. Now 7,000. So we put 7 in thousands place. Next 400. So we put 4 in hundreds place. Next 80 tens. So we put 8 in tens place. Next 0 ones. We put 0 in ones place. This is the short form of a expanded form numbers. This is the short form. Now you can write 7,480. And next we know about place value of 4 digits number. There are some rules. How can we place 4 digits numbers? See this properly. The place value of a 4 digit in a 4 digit number depends upon the position it occupies. That means if the digit at ones position, its place value is in ones. If the digit in at tens position, its place value is in tens. If the digit at 100 position, then the place value is hundreds. And if the digit is at 1000 position, then its place value is thousands. You can understand this properly by this example. See this example. I can write a 4 digit numbers like 7,000. 7,284. First one place value. First what is the place. Now we can write place value of each digit in this number. How can we write? Now first place value of 4, place value of 8, place value of 2 and place value of 7. See this. In which position 4 is situated? In ones place. So the place value of 4 is 4 ones. Next, in which position 8 take place? Now tens position. So place value of 8 is equal to 8 tens. Next, what is the place value of 2? 2 occupies the position of hundreds. So place value of 2 equal to 2 hundreds. Next, place value of 7 occupies thousands place. So place value of 7 equal to 7 thousands. Now student, this is the place value of each digit in this number. So the student, this is the hard copy in which write short note for you. You follow it and do exercise 2A. And also I prepared some homework for you. All the homework and exercise 2A do in your math copy and practice it and wait for my next class. If you have any doubt, you may call. Thank you.